A very good morning to you all. This is Dheeraj Kumar, the principal investigator of Self-Advancing Goaf Support System SAGES, a product which has been designed, developed, and being commercialized in one of the R&D projects, which has been sponsored by Ministry of Coal, with Jawahar Equipment Private Limited, Hyderabad, as our technology partner, and Professor UK Singh as a project leader. In India, all underground coal mining are being worked out by two methods of mining. One is called board and pillar, other is called long wall mining. And most of the mines in India, they are at present being operated with the technology called board and pillar method of mining. In board and pillar method of mining, supporting of the unsupported areas are very important. When we do the development, we drive galleries, and at the end of the development is getting over, we leave the coal in form of natural pillars. And these natural pillars of the coal are required to be mined out, which is called depillaring operation. For mining these coal pillars, we require adequate support systems. And these adequate support systems in the past were being used using conventional support systems. These conventional support systems were in the form of timbers, cogs, wooden cogs, or roof bolts, which were not adequate enough to provide enough support so that workers who are working in mines in these unsupported span areas can feel safe. As a result, there was a need to design, develop a mobile roof support system which can be very easily be erected as and when required. ITISM has developed a medium duty 200-ton mobile GoPay support system, SAGES, which are completely automated, and this support system can replace the existing conventional practices of supporting the unsupported span of area. At the same time, these mobile support can also allow a better recovery of coal pillars which are locked in place. The percentage recovery can be increased to up to more than 75 to 80%, which was never possible with conventional method of mining. At the same time, it can also help the worker feel very safe in underground coal mines at their place of working. The development of the SAGES has been made in different stages. Initially, we had done finite element modeling to identify the suitable materials, and after that, we designed the SAGES. These SAGES were put to test in the laboratories under different conditions as put by DGMS as per their normal testing protocols. These reports were submitted to DGMS for getting the permission for the field trial. By the way, DGMS is Director General of Mine Safety, which is the enforcing agency ensures safety in mines. They give permission for the field trial of components or equipment, and only after that a test can be done in the mines. We carried out the field trial of these supports, so-called developed supports, at two of the mines, one at Bharat Coking Coal Limited, which is a subsidiary of Coal India Limited, and one at Singareni Collieries Company Limited, which is in the southern part of the country. Both the mines, they used SAGES to the full scale, and results were quite encouraging. We technically tested the support system. At the same time, we also did the economic evaluation of support systems so that to understand how far these supports are superior as compared to the conventional support systems. The features of these support systems are they are medium duty supports with 200 ton capacity in each leg. There are two legs. Each leg are the hydraulic power operated legs. They have the canopy and stabilizers to transfer the roof load directly on the support systems at even uneven floor and uneven roof conditions. They have the self-control complete package in terms of power pack, in terms of hydraulic circuit, in terms of all the electrical circuits. They are operated through radio remote control, and they have the sensors which can provide 24 by 7 reading of pressure on the roof, pressure on the support system, and the value of divergence or convergence between the roof and floor, so that immediate action can be taken to withdraw the manpower when there is any unforeseen circumstances arises in mind which will make the workplace unsafe. A video of the complete setup is uh, shown here. We could not take the video in the mines due to some obvious reasons. At present, these SAGES are being still used at RK7 mines of Singareni Collieries Company Limited. You see here these support system SAGES which are having crawler mounted unit. They are being put for their lab test with different loading conditions, and these results were submitted to DGMS for getting the field trial permissions. The SAGES passed all the structural tests like bending test, torsion test, and other prescribed leakage tests. In terms of translation of technology, I like to say here that 6 number of full-scale support systems were designed, developed, and put to use in the mines for almost 1 year. They gave satisfactory results. They were found suitable both in terms of technical one and financially also they were quite worthy. Director General of Mine Safety DGMS gave further permission for manufacturing of these SAGES to its full capacity. Some of the industry they have ordered for few number of SAGES and those orders are being fulfilled right now. SAGES have been proved to be technically feasible, economic, eco-friendly, and much more safer. These are the some certifications which we have received from the enforcing agency like DGMS, the user agency Coal India, which has maximum number of underground coal mines, and Singareni Collieries Company Limited, which has certain coal mines in the southern part of the country. If I talk about the market, all underground coal mines in India has potential to use these mobile Goaf support systems. A discounted cash flow analysis has also shown the result that SAGES can have its economic benefits much more as compared to the conventional support systems. It can further eliminate the worker getting exposed to unsafe mine, unsafe workplace. These SAGES can be set up in mines instantaneously and keeping the workplace very safe. It can facilitate high percentage of recovery as compared to the conventional support systems in terms of the locked failures. With these few words, I invite all the potential investors, the industry partners to come forward for manufacturing of mobile Goaf age group support systems for Indian underground coal mines. We are ready to transfer the technologies. and we foresee a huge market potential of these SAGES. Thank you all.